In this video, we're going to draw a rose using basic shapes to start with. The easiest way to draw something complex is to break it down into its basic shapes, and we will use shading techniques to put the final elements onto this rose. Alright, let's get started. First, I want to shape out the petals. If this part is difficult for you, you can print out a photo reference and trace each petal to get familiar with the shapes. You don't have to copy each petal exactly the way it is. You can change it up to make it look more interesting if you want. Some of these petals, they fold over. This is one of the defining features of the rose petal. So by adding features of your subject that are unique to it, the viewer is able to quickly identify your subject. Normally, I would sketch out my lines really lightly, but for this video, I want to make it easier for you to see them. When shading, I tend to jump around, so basically, I want to find the darkest areas and work from there. I'll start with an HB pencil, and I'll work my way to a 6B. I want to make my shading as smooth as I can to illustrate the smooth texture of the petal. Because the petal is smooth and round, the transition from the shadow to the highlights will be soft, so avoid harsh shading lines. You can also use blending stumps and other smoothing tools to make it more realistic and smooth. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you got some value out of this, and please like and subscribe. I have other videos coming out, and check out my other ones. They cover the fundamentals of drawing, and I hope to see you in the next video.